In this tutorial I am going to explain how you can install the text-to-speech AI on your PC locally. First, clone using the getClone command. Check links in the description. Then create project folder in the same level as TTS folder. Go to TTS folder. Now create the environment inside the TTS folder to install all the packages required. Activate the environment inside the TTS folder. Download the requirements. Now install the requirements. Be patient for a while. Copy mode Python code into the project folder. Create input text.txt file. This is your input file. Now this is where you can write your text for speech. Save it and go to the project folder. Run the Python script in the activated environment.
You can write whatever the fun things you want here. Enjoy your freedom of speech through AI. Yeah, complete freedom of speech.
The power is with you now. Use it wisely. Nobody can censor you now.